this video. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about how to keep someone happy in a relationship and how to keep a girl happy. Men tend to greet women sometimes oddly, so greet her with a hug, a smile. Even if you're having a bad day, just try and smile. First impressions last, and girls tend to overthink when they are being courted by someone. They tend to analyze everything that you do. The next thing is check your breath to see if your breath smells, because that can really be a turn off if you are pursuing a relationship with someone. Open the car door or pull out the chair for the person to sit down. That is considered to be gentlemanlike from the dark ages. That is not something new. It's something that has been going on for decades and decades and hundreds of years. Excuse me. Offer to help her with her issues, even if it's not, you can offer like financially. If it's a financial issue, you try to tell the person how best to go about it, or you make suggestions, or you suggest someone else that can help them. Women tend to like men that they can rely on for either emotional, mental, physical support, even if it's not financial. Being there other ways can compensate for that. It's not always about money for all women. For some women it is about that, but for the real genuine women, it's not all about money. Be honest with her about your life and finances. Be honest. If you know you're going out and you don't have the money to pay, you tell the person from before, and you say either we go or we don't go. How are we gonna work it out? Yada yada yada. If she's a real woman, she will understand, and you guys can work it out together. Be sensitive when she's emotional. A woman won't forget how you treat her when she's down, and that is the self-explanatory. Hug her, comfort her, just be there. Even if you don't have anything good to say, just shut up and be there. Hold her hands in public to show you don't care about what others think, and you aren't ashamed to be with her. There's some men there with women under false pretenses, and they tend to not to want the other woman to know that they're in a relationship, so that they can pursue those women as well. When you show ownership in public, a woman really loves that. Tell her you love her, especially if it shows feelings up, especially if she's showing feelings of doubt. So if she is feeling doubtful about the relationship, you can know. It's not hard to pick up. Her behavior will change. She will act differently. So you ensure her, you're with her, you love her, you want to be with her, or you like her, you want to be with her and not with anyone else. Try to surprise her, even if it's a small surprise. You have to be anything fancy. Compliment her when she feels not so pretty. Okay, we women are so some days we feel beautiful, other days we don't feel as beautiful, and that goes with our makeup, I think, as in our body is made, and our brains are made to think and overthink. So just compliment her, say you look beautiful today, you look nice in that dress, or you look really pretty today. Tell her something to make her feel like she's actually beautiful. Ensure her you're ready to commit by making changes in your life, making her feel like she's an important part of your life. So, alright, making changes in your life. If there's something that you know that she don't like you doing, you try to change that habit, and reach the O's shrine, I will work with it and see if things will be better. So just try to make yourself a better self, and don't forget to always love yourself before you love anyone else. So you share aspects of your life with her, you know. Some I'm here today, I want to tell her about it and laugh and say, yeah, introduce her to the important people in your life, like your family and your friends. You can always start at friends, the friends that you know that are really genuine to you, and therefore you can introduce your girlfriend or whoever to that person, and eventually to your family if the person means a lot to you. And that's about it for today. Thank you for tuning in to another relationship advice video. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit thumbs up before you leave the video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up. It really helps me a lot so I can know what videos to post and what videos you like. And don't forget to if you subscribe, you hit the bell and click on notifications so you get all notifications from my video. And we will be posting a couple of videos soon as we get the chance to record. So look out for those videos with the hubs. Talk to you guys in the next video. I'm out.